Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide how to integrate WebinarKit with AWeber. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect WebinarKit with AWeber. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There, you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both WebinarKit and AWeber from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. First, let's go back to WebinarKit. If you are not logged in, log into your account. You will see a Sign In button. Click on it, enter your email and password, and then click Continue. Now repeat this process to connect your AWeber account. If you have already connected your AWeber account to Zapier, you can skip this step. If you haven't connected your AWeber account yet, you'll see a Select option. Click on the Select button, enter your Gmail address and password, and then allow the connection by clicking Allow. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.